All right. Years ago, I was involved in a car accident, which I didn't realize for many years that it caused a whiplash, knocking my C1 and C2 out of place. And before seeing Doc Hall, I was experiencing physical issues like not being able to sleep at night, waking up, night sweats, having issues like vertigo, not only the pain and stiffness in my neck, but it was explained to me that after he took x-rays that the curvature in my spine was reduced and that your curvature should be between 22 and 30 degrees, and I was down to 12 degrees, causing tension in my neck and my spine to be stretched.
Wow, he really listened to me.
Causing all these issues. And I started seeing Doc Hall after I was referred to him by a nurse who had been in accidents herself, and he took x-rays, saw my C1 and C2 out of place, and that my alignment in my spine was out of place. He made one correction, and within days all those symptoms had gone away. So I sleep better at night, get better rest, and 10 weeks later he took x-rays and found that the curvature in my spine had settled back to about 19 degrees and all the tension in my neck had disappeared. And here it is 3 months later, and he's had to make his third adjustment. And I still feel great after 5.5 months of my first adjustment. And all my physical issues have gone away. I think I feel a little more calm, not so aggro, probably because I'm getting more sleep and better rest, And, I feel blessed because it was just a couple of vertebrae out of place and not discs, which required surgery or anything like that. So I think Dr. Hall's blessed with such a touch to be able to physically help me. And, as many people as he's able to help. So I get emotional on it because he's changed my whole physical life with one touch. And I encourage others to come and see him because I think he could do the same for you as well. And that's about it.
Thank you, Kurt.
Yeah,
we always talk about in the office is what it's all about. There's nothing more gratifying than getting people to live the sometimes 10, 20, 30 years with chronic problems, and they thought they just had to live that way, and not all of them, but many of them, one little precise correction at the base of the skull to get the pressure off the cord. And my favorite quote, nature needs no help, just no interference. So Kurt has lived the upper cervical message, and